Welcome. If you're looking to copy a profile link on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to easily grab and share any profile link you want. Whether it's a friend, a favorite influencer, or even your own profile, sharing is a great way to connect and engage. Let's dive in. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing all features. Once you're in the app, navigate to the profile you want to share. You can do this by using the search bar or scrolling through your feed until you find the desired profile. Once you've located the profile you want to copy the link for, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots there. This is the options menu for that profile. Go ahead and tap on those dots to open the menu. In the menu that appears, you'll find several options related to sharing and interacting with the profile. Look for the option that says Share. Tapping on this will bring up a few more choices regarding how you want to share the link. After tapping Share, you'll see the option that says Copy URL. Select this option and just like that, the profile link is copied to your clipboard. Now, you can easily paste that link wherever you want, be it in a chat, a tweet, or even in an email to a friend. This makes it incredibly easy to share profiles with others. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a profile link on X. This simple process not only helps you connect with friends, but also allows you to promote accounts you find interesting. So, whether you're sharing your own profile or a friend's, you're now equipped to do it seamlessly. Happy sharing.